Hello and welcome to a PT Board tutorial video for user enrollment. Please click the Manage User button to view a list of ways for users to join your school. There are 3 ways for users to join your school. You can either invite users by email, have users enter the school code, or batch load user information. Please note that you do not need to do all 3 to enroll users into your school. You can simply use one method to add users. If you have your school members' email addresses, you can invite them to your school by email. Users will automatically receive invitation emails with a sign-up link included. After users create their PT Board accounts using this link, they will automatically become members of your school. You may also load users into your school without sending an email, which will add these users to the invited users list. When people sign up for PT Board with the same email listed in the invited users list, they will automatically become members of your school. Both your active users and invited users will receive announcement, volunteer sign-up, or event reminder emails. If you don't have parent emails, you can share your unique school code with them. After creating a PT Board account, members of your school may enter this code to join your school in the Join School pop-up screen. Your code is unique for your school, and it will change every school year. If you collected parent names along with their emails, their students' names, and other information such as phone number or address, you can download a spreadsheet template here and enter information into the spreadsheet. Then, send the spreadsheet to info@ptboard.com. PT Board will help you upload all collected user information to your school. You can also create student directories with this batch load process as long as you have all the student information. Under the Manage User tab, you will also see a Guest User section. Guest users are users who visited your site and indicated that they are members of your school. You can always invite them to join your school. Thank you for watching. Please start inviting users to your school for the start to a successful school year.